In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank from Zoho Books. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting a bank account in Zoho Books is a permanent, high-impact action. It can affect reconciliations and reporting, so make sure you really intend to remove the account and that you're in the correct organization. If you manage multiple books, double-check the org switcher at the top of your dashboard so you don't delete the wrong one. Start by going to books.zoho.com in your browser. Sign in as you normally do and wait for your Zoho Books dashboard to load. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right company file by looking at the organization name. If you've recently made changes or imports, it's a good practice to refresh the page so the banking module reflects the latest state before you proceed. Next, click on Banking in the left-hand navigation. This opens the banking module where Zoho lists your connected and manually added accounts. Here you'll see sections such as active accounts. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it, or use the search bar within banking to quickly find what you need. Make sure you're viewing the main banking overview, not inside a specific account yet. Under active accounts, locate the bank you want to remove and click directly on that bank entry to select it. Take an extra moment to verify it's the correct account by checking the account name, the last 4 digits if shown, and the current balance or nickname. If you have multiple accounts with similar names, this quick confirmation helps you avoid deleting the wrong one. With the account in view, look for the small gear icon associated with that bank. It's usually positioned near the account tile or in the account header. Clicking the gear opens an actions menu with options related to managing that bank. If you accidentally click the account name and open its transactions, just navigate back and try the gear again. The delete option lives in that gear menu. Now click delete. Zoho Books will display a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. If the account has reconciled or associated transactions, you may see a message explaining that deletion isn't allowed until those are addressed. Follow the on-screen guidance, review any warnings, and confirm the deletion only when you're certain. Once confirmed, the bank account is removed from your active accounts list. If you ever need it again, you can add it back later as a new account and reconnect feeds as needed. That's it. You've successfully navigated to banking, opened the correct account, used the gear menu, and deleted the bank from Zoho Books safely and confidently.